Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. Today I'm going to teach you a prayer in Hebrew, and it is the Hamotzi prayer, and it is said as a blessing over bread and other foods. And it is one of the best known of all prayers. The Hamotzi begins with every meal, and it is not only an expression of gratitude to God, but also it is in anticipation of messianic times when we will no longer have to work to make a living. I am going to go over the pronunciation, and I have the transliteration here at the bottom for you. For those of you who have not been with me from the beginning and still or cannot read Hebrew, I will read from the top. In Hebrew, those of you who just found me, we read from right to left. Not like in English, we read from left to right. So this is backwards. And the transliteration is here at the bottom, and it is like in English, it's read from left to right. So this is Baruch Atah Adonai Eloheinu Melech HaOlam Hamotzi Lechem Min Haaretz. So I'm going to start from here. And this is the letter Et with a dot and the vowel marker, which gives us the sound of Ba. This is the R sound. So Baruch Atah, this is an abbreviation for the word Adonai, and the Jewish people do not like to write the name of God. They either write G-D for God, or they say Adonai, and they abbreviate it. Eloheinu, Melech HaOlam, Hamotzi Lechem. Remember this M here, for those of you who have been studying from the beginning, remember that this is a mem sofit, which is only used at the end of a word. And here, mend, this is the same sound, but it is used at the beginning of a word, so see the difference. A mem sofit is used only at the end of a word. Men haaretz. Baruch Atah Adonai Eloheinu Melech HaOlam Hamotzi Lechem Min Haaretz. Okay, and I am going to sing it for you, but before I do that, I think I'd like to probably go over what each word means. Okay, so we have Baruch Atah, which means blessed are you. Adonai, God. Eloheinu, our God. Melech means king. Ha-olam Ha'olam is king of the universe. So universe, Ha'olam, Hamotzi, which means brings forth. Chamotzi brings forth. Lechem means bread. Min means from. And ha'aretz means the earth. Ha is the aretz is the earth. Ha'aretz. Now, if this looks like an H, right? RH. If this was closed in, then the sound would be ha. And here's the vowel that gives it the sound ah. So it would be ha. But in this case, it's ha, like RH, like holy. Okay, so I am going to go over the song. And it is Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam hamotzi lechem min haaretz. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future lessons. And give it a like. It takes time and dedication to do these videos, and I do them to help you learn Hebrew and prayers. And also I just started our broadcast. So give it a like, subscribe, and if you wish to buy me a cup of coffee, you can see on the top of the page on the YouTube channel, you will see it has a sign that says coffee, and there's a little symbol. Thank you, and in Hebrew we say Behitaot, meaning bye.